elongated shapes. On the 21st of January 2026, at around 5:16 p.m. in the evening, shortly after sunset, something unusual was seen in the sky over either Turkey. The sky was clear, with no clouds at all. A witness noticed dark, elongated shapes moving across the sky and decided to take photos. At first glance, they did not look like anything familiar. There was no sound, no blinking lights, and no visible trails behind them. Because the sky conditions were good and visibility was clear, the witness felt confident that whatever was seen was not hidden by clouds or weather effects. According to the witness, multiple objects were visible at the same time. They were long and dark, almost like thin shadows moving through the sky. Their movement was smooth and steady, slightly slower than a normal airplane. What stood out most was that they did not behave like planes. There was no engine noise, no navigation lights, and no contrails, even though airplanes often leave trails near sunset. Later, a third object appeared. At one point, two of the objects seemed to move closer together and briefly looked like they merged into one before separating again. The witness also noticed that the objects could change direction, which made them even harder to explain. Unfortunately, only photos were captured, not video. The witness openly stated they are looking for a normal explanation and are not jumping to conclusions. Still, the details raise questions. Objects moving silently, changing direction, and appearing to merge do not match common aircraft behavior. Birds, drones, or planes are possible ideas, but none fit perfectly with all the observations. The lack of sound and lights especially adds to the mystery. In the end, the witness admits they have no clear idea what these objects were. The event remains unexplained, leaving room for discussion and further analysis without making any final claims. Silent Sky Encounter. The 18th of October 2025, around 6:30 p.m. in Margate, Florida. The sky was clear, and someone noticed something unusual floating high above. At first glance, it seemed like it could be a balloon, but there was something odd about it. It wasn't just one shape. It looked like two separate parts, one hovering over the other.
So cool. Huh? Is that a camera?
The strange object was moving without making a sound. What stood out the most was how both parts rotated together, in sync. That's not something you usually see with regular balloons. Most balloons just drift, twist randomly, or bump into each other. But this one? It spun in a way that looked planned or controlled. Then, something even stranger happened. After about 10 minutes, the lower piece broke away from the top and disappeared. It didn't fall to the ground, it simply vanished. But the top part didn't go with it. It kept floating there for 5 more minutes, and then it disappeared too, just gone. There was also a quick moment, a second or less, where the object gave off a faint glow. Not a flash, not a beam, just a soft light, and then back to normal. Some people who saw the video said it was just a group of balloons. But when have you ever seen balloons float like that? Rotating in sync? Separating like that? Glowing? And especially staying up there for so long without touching each other? The top part hovering over the bottom like that made it look coordinated. Not random. No one knows what it really was. But the way it moved, split, and disappeared left a lot of people wondering, was it really just balloons? Or was something else watching from above? Silent disc overhead. On the afternoon of the 24th of January 2026, something unusual caught the attention of people in Curaraju, a small town in southern Chile. It was around 4 p.m. daylight, with clear visibility. Residents were spending time outdoors, some gathered at the local community stadium, when a strange object appeared in the sky. At first, it wasn't clear what it was. but its shape and movement quickly made people stop and look. Several witnesses noticed it at the same time, which made the moment even more surprising. According to those who saw it, the object had a clear disc-like shape and appeared metallic. It was flying at a noticeable distance but was still easy to see. One of the main witnesses, Joaquin Brevis Morales, said the object passed directly in front of them while they were at the stadium. It did not look like a plane or helicopter. There were no visible wings, no flashing lights, and no sound coming from it. What stood out the most was how it moved. Witnesses said the object suddenly changed direction in a way that normal aircraft cannot. It moved quickly, then just as suddenly, it vanished from sight. The event lasted only a short time, but it was long enough for people to react and for recordings to be made. The main footage was captured by Fermin Pangilaf, and those images soon began spreading online. Because the sighting happened in daylight with multiple witnesses and video evidence, many people found it difficult to explain. The disc shape, silent movement, and sudden disappearance raised questions. Some tried to think of a normal explanation, but none fully matched what was seen. With no official explanation given, the sighting remains unexplained, leaving people wondering what exactly flew over Currahue that afternoon. Still lights offshore. On the evening of the 26th of January 2026, something unusual was seen off the coast of La Jolla, California. At around 7 p.m., almost 2 hours after sunset, a man noticed strange lights hovering above the ocean. He was not expecting to see anything out of the ordinary, but what caught his attention was how bright and clear the lights looked in the dark sky. They were far offshore, over open water, not near land. Curious and confused, he began recording the scene. What made the moment more interesting was that the lights did not seem to move like airplanes or boats. They simply stayed there.
There are 5 strange hovering lights. There's no land there.
According to the witness, there were about 5 to 7 lights visible at different moments. The lights would fade in and out rather than blink. They appeared suspended in the air, holding the same position above the ocean. When zoomed in, the object looked more defined, not just a distant dot. Around the same time, Mission Beach surf cameras also captured similar lights. Those cameras showed activity starting around 6:30 p.m., with the lights fading in and out more clearly by about 6:55 p.m. This means the lights were visible for a long time, not just a few seconds. Throughout the sighting, there was no sudden movement, no fast travel across the sky, and no sound reported. The part that raises questions is how the lights stayed still. They did not drift, flash like aircraft, or move like drones commonly do. Being visible on both personal footage and surf cameras adds to the mystery. Since the lights were offshore, above the ocean, and suspended without motion, it becomes harder to explain them easily. The witness is not claiming to know what they were, only that they did not behave like anything familiar. For now, the lights remain unexplained, leaving room for questions and quiet curiosity rather than clear answers. Mysterious still light. On November 13th, 2025, at exactly 11:39 p.m., something strange appeared in the sky over Beykoz, a district in Istanbul. The night was quiet, the sky was clear, and everything seemed normal until a single bright light showed up in the distance. The person who saw it said it wasn't a plane, it wasn't a star, and it definitely wasn't a building, but it was there bright, still, and not fading. The light didn't blink like a plane or move like a satellite. It just stayed in one spot, glowing more intensely than any star around it. The witness said it looked too big and too bright to be just a normal object in the sky. They were sure it wasn't something man-made. It even had a twinkling quality, like it was flickering but without changing position. This wasn't just a fast flash or a glitch, it was there for a long time, enough to watch and question. The trees and buildings below it were dark, but this light stood out clearly. It was unusually large and seemed to be watching the night from above. So what was it? If it wasn't a plane or a star or a tall building, then why was it there and why didn't it move? Was it some kind of advanced drone or something else entirely? The strange part is how still it was. Most flying objects drift, hover, or move away. This didn't. And if it was a bright star, why was it the only one shining that strongly and low in the sky? Even now, there's no clear answer. But one thing's for sure, the person who filmed it knew what they weren't looking at. Burst. It was the night of January 12, just after 8 p.m., about 50 miles south of Santa Fe, New Mexico. The sky was dark, the road ahead barely lit. A person was driving when they noticed something strange in the sky. At first, it looked like a bright light, almost like a star, but it wasn't still. It was moving, slowly.
Can I see that cigarette?
Okay, dude.
Dude, all huge, dude.
Yeah, look at that. Whoa.
That was the best one yet.
Turning?
Way now, but
Dude, that was... People are gonna say that's what it is.
Earlier in the day, there had been a rocket launch, so maybe that's what it was. But this didn't seem right. The time didn't match, the direction didn't match, and the way it moved didn't feel like any rocket they had ever seen. The object floated silently above the horizon. There was no sound, no trail of smoke or vapor behind it, something you'd expect if it were a rocket. It wasn't moving fast either. It just hovered slowly, going in a slightly northwestern direction. The witness zoomed in to get a better look. At a glance, it looked like a glowing circle, but as they watched, something unusual happened. The light seemed to shift, and then suddenly, it burst. But instead of something coming apart, like rocket parts separating, it left behind a strange glowing ring. That ring didn't fade away instantly. It just hung there in the sky, sitting in front of where the object had been. Then the main light disappeared into the distance. The person who saw it was sure about one thing. This didn't act like a normal rocket. They had seen rocket launches before. They knew what stage separation looked like. But this wasn't it. Rocket parts don't move in slow circles and leave behind rings of light. And they definitely don't do it without making a sound or leaving a trail. So what was it? If it wasn't a rocket, then what did they actually see that night? And could it be something not yet explained? Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more unexplained mysterious videos in the future.